Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Soul Sisters Delightful Food Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you a very easy and simple Italian recipe. Broccoli pasta in bechamel sauce. Bechamel sauce means white sauce. Along with chicken in it. It tastes really amazing, and as you can see it looks so good. Very creamy and too good in taste. You can serve this for iftar or dinner. Give this recipe a try. I'm sure you're gonna love it. So let's start making the pasta in bechamel sauce, that is white sauce. So for this, firstly you need to boil the pasta. Boiling pasta, the process is very simple. You first need to boil water and add the pasta, and as mentioned on the package, the time you need to boil accordingly and take out in a strainer. When it is cooked, take out in a strainer and drain off the water and pour cold water on it so that the pasta doesn't stick to each other. So to prepare bechamel sauce, that is white sauce, heat a pan. Add olive oil to it, around 3-4 tablespoons. Make sure the heat is on low flame, low to medium. To this add all-purpose flour, around 1.5 to 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Make sure while making this sauce, do not leave the pan unattended. Slowly go on mixing it. Now while mixing this, keep the flame very low. If needed, hold the pan up so that this doesn't burn. Once you see a paste, add milk to it. Here I'm going to use around 500 to 700 ml of milk, but I'm going to add in intervals. Do not add the whole milk at once. Then there will be lumps in it. So you don't need the lumps, you need a good sauce. So add milk again. Keep on mixing it. The lumps you see will go now. Add the milk in intervals as I told you earlier and mix it. Add salt to this according to your taste. Also add oregano and thyme. And a little bit of black pepper powder. If you want to make this spicy, add chili flakes to it and mix this, and this should be the consistency of the sauce. Off the flame. you overcook it, it's gonna be dry. So make sure the consistency is this. Check if the salt is proper. If you need it, add it. Now that this sauce is done, keep it aside. Now finally it's time to prepare the pasta. For that, heat a pan, add olive oil to it, around 3 to 4 tablespoons. To this add finely chopped garlic. Garlic gives a good flavor to pasta, so do not skip this step. Keep the flame low. Mix it for a few seconds, and to this add chicken. This chicken I have just cut into strips. This is boneless chicken. Cook this until it is slightly white. If you want to add more chicken, it is completely up to you. I have taken around 250 grams of chicken because I am making less quantity of pasta. These garlic cloves, I used around 2 garlic cloves. Let it turn white. Add salt to the chicken. Make sure you don't add too much of salt, because remember the salt you have added in the sauce as well. Now that this is white, add the white sauce to it. As you can see, this white sauce has become so thick. That's completely okay. You'll be fine. Do not panic. Mix this well with the chicken. If you want, you can add the oregano, thyme more at this point. When you see the bechamel sauce is too thick, add milk. This is tip from our side. Do not add too much. Keep mixing it so there are no lumps in it. Bring it to this consistency. Now add the pasta to it. Once you have added pasta, mix it. Check the salt, if the salt is proper. Let it well combine with the sauce. For a few minutes, let it set. Do not leave this unattended. Mix it. Now add the cheese to it. This is mozzarella cheese. Like any other type, cheddar or parmesan, you can go ahead and add that. Mix it. To this add broccoli. Broccoli is first chopped then washed. Mix the broccoli well. Keep the flame low until you mix the broccoli well. The cheese is melted and it looks really good. If you feel the sauce has dried, you can add milk. Do not add water. Water doesn't go in this recipe. Broccoli is very important in this recipe because it gives a very good flavor, and the broccoli along with the pasta and chicken tastes amazing. Yes. Just cook for a few minutes until the broccoli is cooked. I do not like to overcook the broccoli, so I'm going to off the flame now. So the broccoli pasta in bechamel sauce is ready to serve. Do try this recipe and share your feedback. I'm sure you're going to love it. And share your feedback with us and like this video, subscribe to our channel. And thank you so much for watching this video. Assalamu alaikum.